We've talked about ways that you can save money, but we haven't talked about ways that you can actually earn money. One of my favorite free resources online to earn free money is called Swagbucks. The concept is simple. You simply register and you'll earn $30 off the bat. Then you can do things like search the web through their own browser on the website to come up with web results like you normally would on any Google browser, or to earn actual bucks just for searching for a name. These bucks can be turned in for gift cards, and one of everyone's favorite is the Amazon $5 gift card for $450. Plus, there's lots of ways that you can earn money. You can add the toolbar, which is easier for me because then it's always there for me to do a quick search, and since I'm online a lot, it makes a lot of sense for me to earn more bucks that way. You can also do daily polls, games, special offers, watch Swagbucks TV, or do tasks to earn more money throughout the year. The reason I'm talking about this so early on in our 365 ways to save is because if you start now, by Christmas, you should have enough to pay for many of your Christmas gifts. Throughout the months, as you earn more, go ahead and cash out your gift cards. I like to cash out Amazon because then I can enter it in my Amazon account and use it later on. And I typically do that throughout the year so I can buy most of my Christmas presents on Amazon. So, start earning today and searching through Swagbucks, and check back tomorrow for more ways to save.